All right, so we're in the middle of a pretty exciting project for a client out in California, and right in front of me are 300 of the ties that we're going to be using for the track. I'm going to show you a little bit about those, and then an additional 300 of these brackets. So just picked these up from the fabricator this morning. These are all laser cut, which is nice. You get a lot of really nice clean lines, especially in the holes where the bolts go. The ties, we're using 1/4" steel, very similar in gauge to the other ties that we've used in past projects. One of the differences though is that we're upping the diameter of the pipe from 1.5 inch, which we normally use, to 2 inch. So that's going to be better surface area and additional strength for the rails. What's also different about these ties is the middle section. So normally we have it about half the length or the dimension here, but we've increased it, and the reason for that is we wanted to get additional points of connection on our tie. In the past we've only had one pinned connection, and we don't really like that because it causes some bending, some turning at that moment. But because these ties actually bank at different angles and we don't have a whole lot of control as to where those banks are going to be, we can't guess where all those are going to be. We've got these slots on either end of the tie. And what that does is it allows us to bank the track or the tie based on the track width, and we're still able to get 3 points of connection. So really excited with how these turned out. We're going to be taking the ties up to Virginia to our fab shop up there to start working on the track, and I'm actually dropping off all 300 of the brackets to a painter who's going to put a special epoxy coating on these to make sure that they weather the elements really well. So wanted to share a little with you about the project that we're working on. I'm sure we'll share more updates in the future, but until next time, take care.